Hi, today I am going to take uh, cryptography substitution techniques. Okay, there are lot of substitution techniques available in cryptography. Okay, today I am going to take about Caesar cipher. Caesar cipher in substitution technique. Okay, before entering into that Caesar cipher concept, you must know about what is cryptography. Okay, what is cryptography and what is plain text, what is ciphertext, what is a cipher, what is key, what is encipher, what is decipher. Okay, first, what is cryptography? What is cryptography? See, cryptography is said to be a different process. It is a different process. Cryptography is used to convert or transform. It's a transformation technique. Okay, cryptography is used to transform intelligible message into unintelligible message. Okay, what is intelligible message? What is unintelligible message? When taking an intelligible message, human understanding language. Human understanding language is said to be an intelligible message. Unintelligible message means the message which cannot be understandable by the humans. Okay, message cannot be understandable by the humans. Okay, this is a cryptographic concept. Okay. Then, what is plain text? What is ciphertext? Plain text. Plain text is an original message. Okay. Plain text is a original message which user wants to send to another one. Okay. Plain text is an original message. Okay. What is an ciphertext? What is an ciphertext? The transformed unintelligible language. Unintelligible message is said to be in ciphertext. Okay, you are clear about what is cryptography, what is plain text, what is ciphertext, what is cryptography. Once again I want to explain it. Okay, cryptography is used to transform intelligible message into unintelligible message, right? Unintelligible message. Okay, then again it is used to retransform unintelligible message into intelligible message. Okay, this is the concept behind the cryptography. Okay, then what is plain text? Original message is said to be in plain text. That means what? Hello, you want to send an hello. It is an human understandable language only, right? It is an human understandable language. It is an original message. Okay, but we are not going to send original message to the receiver. Cipher. What is an cipher? What is an key? Then what is encipher? What is decipher? Okay, what is decipher? Right. What is cipher? Cipher is an algorithm which is used to transform a plain text into the cipher text. Okay, cipher is an algorithm which is used to transform a plain text into the cipher text. Okay, then this is key. What is key? Next, key. Okay, cipher means what? Algorithm which is used to transform the plain text into the cipher text. Okay, key means it's a critical information. It is a critical information which is used by the cipher. I mean what? Algorithm uses key to encrypt the data. Okay, for decryption purpose also keys are used. Okay, then what is encipher? Decipher. What is encipher and decipher? Encipher means it's like an encryption. The process of converting plain text into the cipher text. The process of converting plain text into the cipher text is said to be an encipher. Okay. What is decipher? The process of, it is also known as what? Decryption. Process of converting cipher text into the plain text. Okay. That's all about the basic concepts involved in cryptography. Now, let me see what is substitution technique. A substitution cipher changes characters in the plain text. Okay, changes the characters in the plain text. Okay, a substitution technique. A substitution of plain text, letters of plain text are replaced by other letters. By other letters. It may be a letter, it may be a number, it may be a symbol. Okay, by other letters or by numbers or symbols. Okay, that's all about the substitution technique. A letter of plain text are replaced by the other letters or by numbers or symbols. Okay. Now, Caesar cipher. What is Caesar cipher? Caesar cipher. Okay. What is Caesar cipher? See, Caesar cipher is a special case of substitution technique. Okay. Is a special case of substitution techniques wherein each alphabet in a message is replaced by an alphabet three places down the line. 3 places down the line. Okay. 3 places down the line. Okay. There. Now, you just take an example for this. Okay. Example for Caesar cipher. Plain text. Then cipher text. Just take plain text as hello. Okay. What is Caesar cipher? Each alphabet in a message is replaced by an alphabet 3 places down the line. Right. Then here H, I, J, K. K will be at the third position. So H can be transformed as K. Okay. Then E can be transformed as H. Then L can be transformed as O. O can be transformed as R. Okay. This is a plain text. This is a cipher text. That's all about the Caesar cipher. But there is an important equation out there. See, algorithm can be expressed as C equal to E of K comma P. Okay, E of K comma P. This is a cipher text. C is a cipher text. P is a plain text. K is a key. This is you are going to encrypt. Okay. Then it can be written as P plus K mod of 26. Why we are giving 26 means total alphabet letter is 26. Right? 26. 0 to how much? It will come 0 to 25. Right? So you have to count from 0. So the total alphabet will be 26. So P plus K mod 26. Okay. Why we are giving K here? 3 places. Right. K value is always 3. Okay. This is in plain text. Okay. This formula is for cipher text. To find a cipher text. Then another algorithm. That means what? Encryption purpose. This algorithm used for an encryption purpose. For decryption purpose, see P equal to D of K comma C. Here, decryption. Decryption. It is in plain text. It is in cipher text. How you can find out the plain text from the cipher text? C minus K. K value is 3. Okay, C is in cipher text. Then here, mod 26. Why we are putting 26 here? Total number of alphabets 0 to 25. Okay.